F. Forwarded from Dave Farber. The full text of the new Chinese regulations are included. My favorites. 5. Making falsehoods or distorting the truth, spreading rumors, destroying the order of society. 6. Promoting feudal superstitions, sexually suggestive material, gambling, violence, murder. 8. Injuring the reputation of state organs. Todd Greater than. New regulations codify PRC Internet practice. On December 30, 1997, the Ministry of Public Security promulgated the regulations on the security and management of computer information networks and the Internet, Jisunji Xingxi Wanglu Lian Wang Angquan Betu Guanli Banfa. The State Council approved these new regulations on December 11, 1997. The new regulations appear to be much more a codification of existing practice than an important departure in the management of computer information networks in China. The new regulations are more detailed than the PRC temporary regulations on computer information network and Internet management and notice on strengthening the management of computer information network and Internet registration information both of February 1996 and the temporary regulations on electronic publishing of March 1996. The new December 1997 regulations as well as earlier PRC regulations on the Internet and electronic publishing are to be found in GB encoded Chinese text listed on the web page at Section 19. The Public Security Computer Management and Supervision Organization is responsible for pursuing and dealing with illegal computer information network activities and criminal cases involving computer information networks. Criminal activities in violation of Sections 4 or Section 7 should, according to the relevant state regulations, be handed over to the relevant department or to the legal system for appropriate disposition. Chapter 4 Legal Responsibility. Section 20 For violations of law, administrative regulations or of Section 5 or Section 6 of these regulations, the Public Security Organization gives a warning and if their income from illegal activities, confiscates the illegal earnings. For less serious offences a fine not to exceed 5,000 RMB to individuals and 15,000 RMB to work units may be assessed. For more serious offences computer and network access can be closed down for 6 months, and if necessary public security can suggest that the business operating license of the concerned unit or the cancellation of its network registration. Management activities that constitute a threat to public order can be punished according to provisions of the Public Security Management Penalties Articles. Where crimes have occurred, prosecutions for criminal responsibility should be made. Section 21 Where one of the activities listed below has occurred, the Public Security Organization should order that remedial action should be taken with a specific period and give a warning. If there has been illegal income, the income should be confiscated. If remedial action is not taken within the specified period, then a fine of not more than 5,000 RMB may be assessed against the head of the unit and persons directly under the unit head and a fine of not more than 15,000 RMB against the unit. In the case of more offences, the network and equipment can be closed for up to 6 months. In serious cases public security may suggest that the business license of the organization be cancelled and its network registration cancelled. 1. Not setting up a secure system. 2. Not implementing security techniques and protection measures. 3. Not providing security education and training for network users. 4. Not providing information, materials or electronic documentation needed for security, protection and management or providing false information. 5. For not inspecting the content of information transmitted on behalf of someone else or not registering the unit or individual on whose behalf the information was transmitted. 6. Not establishing a system for registering users and managing the information of electronic bulletin boards. 7. Not removing web addresses and directories or not closing servers according to the relevant state regulations. 8. Not establishing a system for registering users of public accounts. 9. Lending or transferring accounts. Section 22 Violation of Section 4 or Section 7 of these regulations shall be punished according to the relevant laws and regulations. Section 23 Violations of Section 11 or Section 12 of these regulations or not fulfilling the responsibility or registering users shall be punished by a warning from public security or suspending network operations for 6 months. Chapter 5 Additional Regulations. Section 24 These regulations should be consulted with regards to the implementation of the security, protection and management of computer information networks connecting to networks in the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region as well as with networks in the Taiwan and Macau districts. Section 25 These regulations go into effect on the day of promulgation.